welcome to Jamestown Jobs. I'm Emily Bivens with the Jamestown Area Chamber of Commerce, and we're here today at Wilhelm's to see what it's like to be an automotive service technician. Let's go! Hi, I'm Emily with the Chamber.
Hi, Emily. My name is Randy.
Hi.
Service technician here at for the Wilhelm Automotive for many years. So just here to show you what we do.
Awesome. You have to take everything out?
Yeah, or the chassis. I just put a chassis, the cab back on one over here for turbocharge. You should have been here yesterday. I had really one big in a mess.
Oh my gosh.
But
yeah. So what are you doing here today?
Well, this one here, we had some timing chains on a V6 motor, which seems to be a pretty popular thing to do nowadays on these. Okay. Lots of cars and trucks nowadays have with the V6 motors, whether it's make or brand, they all seem to have a lot of moving stuff up in the, lots of changing gears up here.
Yeah.
All that stuff kind of wears out in time. So
sure.
You always got to watch for regular maintenance and stuff. So this is what we're doing here on this one today. So
okay.
We're in the middle of just starting to put these back together.
Okay.
So kind of a little greasy chain. If you want to start assembling this for me,
sure.
I'll kind of just help guide you.
Yeah.
Here is what we're going to do. See, we need to guide these, the chain lead ratchets, they wrap up around here and up around here.
Oh.
And I got some...
almost like a bike chain.
Oh, yeah, it's a pretty heavy duty bike chain, but yeah. But anyway, well, we wrap them up around on
so it goes around like this?
Yeah, we wrap them around the sprockets and then it should end up around this sprocket.
Should it be that tight? Or?
It'll be tight. Take all as much out of there as possible. Let's go up on the side of this and then you wrap it around that one down there. And then we're going to sit here and we're going to look at.
Does it go around this?
Yeah, well, that's kind of out of place, but we'll ignore that part of it now. But then there's certain items you need to be careful of. You know, we need to get these timed correctly. There's lots of timing positions. And if you need to know how, say, hey, we got all the information you need. I tell you what, it's information is critical.
Yeah.
So, and it's all right there in front of your fingertips. You can't, it's everything you need to know.
Yeah, I'm sure the technology is always changing.
Oh, absolutely.
So you guys are always learning.
No end to it and stuff. So,
oh my goodness.
It's a little bit of a challenging thing, but the information there to ease you right through it.
Yeah.
And we got technical support help there. If you can't find what you need there, you give them a ring on the phone and they'll guide you right through it.
Wow.
So. This is what holds the chain tight.
Okay.
So you know what? There's some 2 bolt holes there. You just put that back in under here. So we'll find out how tight you're supposed to make that. So then we'll get another fancy electronic tool out that tells you how tight you're making that bolt. So it's exactly where it should be.
Cool.
So that's how easy it is. Anybody can do it.
Yeah. I don't know about that. How long have you been here?
I've been here 47 years now.
47,
yeah,
wow. How'd you get your start at Wilhelm?
Well, gee whiz, I was right out of trade school. And I thought, well, I better use that education for something. So stopped in down here, and I kind of always a General Motors kind of a guy anyway. So he stopped in here and started working for Don himself there, and it just kind of went on and on and on and stuff. So. Like I say, it's been a rewarding business, I guess. So learned an awful lot. It's no end to the learning and the things that change in the industry.
Yeah.
They're just constantly changing.
And all the different cars. That's what baffles me. How many different types of cars you probably work on in a day.
Absolutely, you know, and you get to drive all these different things.
You get to drive them?
It's different every day. Something different. And it's all day long. You get 8, 10 different ones every day. So,
sure.
So it's cool. You get to know them. You know what you're interested in, and.
So what are some of the most common things you do? You fix some of these things that wear out all the time on the engines. Do you do tires? What are some of the more common
I don't
things?
do too much with the tire part of it there, but I got transmissions. I come down here out of trade school specializing in transmission repair.
Okay.
So I started on that, and then as time gone on, we just got more into doing general automotive all across the board. You know,
Sure.
it's the small towns and stuff like this. You know, you got to be in general. You
Do
know,
you work on air conditioners?
air
It's hot
conditioner.
today.
Oh yeah, air conditioners all the time. Oh yeah, exactly. So, yeah, in this industry, you just learn how to do it all.
Sure, yeah.
And stuff. So,
Awesome.
and you get trained. You know, the company trains you. You know, and
Oh, nice.
a trip to where I've been in Chicago many times and Minneapolis many times at
Yeah.
the training centers, and you get to talk to all the other technicians around the country that are all at the same things. You
Cool.
learn a lot just from talking to them.
Yeah, that's awesome.
You know the little shortcuts, these little different tricks, and I'd done this and this, and man, that's the same helpful information, and it works.
Yeah, that's
It's
cool.
a good deal.
All right. Well, it was super fun learning what it's like to be an automotive technician. I'm here now with Stephanie Johnson with Wilhelm's. She's the marketing coordinator here, and she's here to tell us a little bit more about the job. So, Steph, what does it take to be an automotive technician? What type of education or certifications? What do we need to have?
So you go to school for the training. We do provide scholarships through colleges, for example, NDSCS. Provides some training and some scholarships that Don Wilhelm will help the students get through, you know, their career and hopefully that they can start here and kind of build their skills working here.
I know other places, obviously, town, region, are hiring automotive technicians as well. What makes Don Wilhelm stand out? What's so great about working here?
Well, first of all, it's a family owned business. Don Wilhelm started it, and now the two brothers, Rod and Jeff, manage it. And so there's that, and then also they're good to their employees, and it's just it's a small dealership enough that when you graduate from college, that it's a good opportunity to just get your foot in the door and start building those skills right out of college.
And those relationships. It seems like you guys
Yes.
have a really fun culture here.
Yes.
Good work environment.
Yes, we do.
Awesome.
We all get along really well.
So where do you apply for the job?
So you can apply right on our website, www.donwilhelm.com. And then, so we've kind of got a new program going through Indeed, so you can also go on to Indeed and search for us and apply that way too.
Awesome.